Hi, kids. Let's meet amazing animals today. Let's go. L is for lion, the king of the jungle. He has a big mane and a loud roar.
H is for horse, runs fast and is very strong.
D is for dog, our loyal friend who loves to bark and play.
C is for cat. It says meow and loves to play.
E is for elephant, biggest animal with a strong trunk.
C is for cow. It gives us fresh milk every day. F is for fish. It swims in water and makes bubbles.
R is for rabbit. It loves to hop and eat carrots.
P is for peacock, the most colorful bird. It loves to dance in the rain.
D is for duck. It loves to swim and says quack quack.
G is for giraffe, the tallest animal with a long neck.
Wow, we met lion, rabbit, peacock, cow, giraffe, fish, cat, dog, elephant, duck, and horse. Learning animals is so much fun.